Tonight's bedtime bird is about the coal tit. Small active one, combination of large black bib, white wing bars and broad white stripe on nape distinctive. Dazzling geographic variation. Himalayan and Chinese birds have a small, spiffy chest. North African birds have stained yellow cheeks. European and Siberian birds dullest overall. Crestless with buffy flanks. Inhabits coniferous and mixed woodland, forest, parks, and gardens. Visits bird feeders. Associated with foothills and montane areas throughout much of its eastern range, often joins mixed species flocks in autumn and winter, moving quickly through the foliage and giving high-pitched calls. Up and down song varies across range. Compare with slightly larger and chunkier marsh tit and willow tit, which have bigger white cheek patches, drabber overall plumage, and different voices. Time to hear tonight's call. That was the coal tit, tonight's bird. Now tomorrow's bird is about the siskin tomorrow. The siskin. But tomorrow it'll be the pine siskin. So yeah, that's all for today. See you soon. Bye.